trying something new. We both are mic'd up.
Okay.
So we're gonna introduce like, I don't know, high production value video or something. Anyway, Lucas and his new NSX, or the latest, so like not the OG JDM, but the new one. We done a lap with the car last year. It was actually quite cool and exciting because it's an uncommon car, so it's nice. This year, a couple of more mods, right? So I think the brakes are changed because last year was quite interesting moment that we had.
Yeah, that was quite exciting, the moment there. Yeah, I changed the brakes, actually replaced the carbon ceramic brakes for steel brakes from Gyrodisc, and the EBC SR11 brake pads. So yeah, the discs are actually straight up replacement from OEM.
Yeah.
So I could just use the same calipers, no problem.
Yeah.
So just
Nice.
change them out. And it's working way better. No more messages about bad brakes, no more fading or whatever. So yeah, I really love it. It's a good upgrade. They're heavy, so yeah, that's
the only
other
downside.
one. That's the only downside thing of this. But yeah, but they're good. They're really good brakes.
Nice. You are still on Air ones.
Yeah, they're actually the same tires as we used last year.
Okay.
But last year they were almost new. Now they're a bit used.
Yeah. So
But
265 front and the back is
305.
305. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
So when
nice,
these
nice.
are gone, I will upgrade to the CRS.
Yeah.
See what that does. We'll probably go for the rear for the 325.
Oh,
Should be able
nice.
to fit there. So
Yeah, because it looks relatively stretched.
it's stretched, yeah.
So you can go a bit bigger. So yeah, that's definitely gonna benefit the handling.
Yep.
Yeah. For people who are watching for the first time with this car, the other aftermarket mods, you have big wing
Yes.
and also a big front splitter,
Yeah.
very big front splitter. So that definitely contributes to the handling.
Yes.
The power, it's a V6, right?
Yeah.
Turbocharged.
Yeah.
And
Twin turbo.
turbo
3.5
with
liter.
with additional electric motor on the front, I think.
Yes, in the back as well.
Back
so
as
it's
well.
got 3 electric motors.
Okay.
In total, it's 573 horsepower
Yeah.
and 800 Newton meters of torque.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why it's
Nice.
quite fast. After a slow corner, you can put up quite nicely.
Yeah. Does it have torque vectoring? Because where are the
Yes.
two motors in the back or in the front?
No, the 2 motors are in the front.
Okay.
And they are, I don't know how to translate this, they are working independently of each other.
Yeah.
So they will just help with the torque steering as well, and in the back is just extra support for the power.
Nice. Yeah, and
Yep.
in combination with extra aero, it's a very, very grippy and handling baby. Very nice. Number 1308.
Yep.
Very cool.
From,
Out of how many are they made? You know?
around 3,300.
Okay.
But almost all of them are in the United States and Canada.
Yeah.
There are around only 900 in the rest of the
Because
world.
this one, judging by the license plate, this is the import plate for the Netherlands from
Yeah.
outside of Netherlands, mostly US. Did you
No.
get it from the States or from
No,
where?
I get it from Germany.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But those plates are using the small plates because actually in the front
Yeah.
there's no room to get a large plate, so I just
Nice.
decided to put small plates
Very
in
cool.
front of the rear.
I like
But
it.
it's actually the only one in the Netherlands that's driving anyway. So there are 2 more, but they are one is standing in the showroom and the other one is in the garage.
Nice.
So this is actually the only one from the Netherlands actually seeing the road and having anything.
Is the exhaust aftermarket too, or is it?
Yeah, it's a
not-
5-speed exhaust, but it's only the last part, so no power gain, only just a bit more sound.
Bit more sound.
The
Nice.
previous owner already installed it and I liked the sound, so I just kept it there.
It's very nice. Just a quick look on the interior. Yeah, very up to date. Very comfortable seats, yet still enough to hold you in the corners. I really liked it.
Yeah.
I was really inclined to take a nap in them. It was, but that's also a compliment to your driving.
Oh wow, thank you.
So yeah, because
Yeah.
if I'm comfortable and trusting enough, then I'm like, okay, I can doze off.
There's actually one small upgrade I did since
Oh.
last year,
Okay.
because this normally is closed from the inside. There's just a plastic wheel arch there. So I actually just removed the wheel arch from the inside
Yeah.
and put a nice raster in it.
Nice.
So I actually can use the airflow that's going right out next
That's
to the
very
door.
nice, as
So-
it's supposed to be. Yeah.
As it's supposed to be, yeah. I don't know why they actually closed it
Well, it's a.
factory default. but
I can tell you, it's basically the a cheating trick that 991 GT3 RS introduced. It had also those things, but it's closed off in the fenders, and you need to, if you take it off, you get more downforce. Yeah, better
Yeah.
airflow. But it's closed because of TÜV reasons.
Ah, okay, so
Yeah.
that's probably it then.
Yeah, because you should not have like stuff that
No.
can go through fenders or something. Yeah.
On the people actually watched last year, they probably see something different because the livery is
The
also
livery, yes.
new.
Yeah.
I had a lot of people always asking me, what kind of car is it? We have never seen it.
Yeah.
So I thought, well, maybe if I just put it real large on the car, then
Honda NSX.
Honda
Yeah.
NSX, yeah, now
Yeah,
people don't have to
fantastic.
ask anymore.
Very cool. Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah,
I'll see you next year.
definitely.
With CRS tires
But yeah, then there will be CRS tires on it.
and maybe something else. Who knows? Because
We'll see what we can do next year. Yeah.
sounds good. And you guys enjoyed the lap, and I hope that the microphones worked as intended. Alrighty,
Now,
off we go. So,
let's go.
what do you want? Track mode or something? Or what do you usually use?
Track mode.
Yeah. Oh, it's Sport Plus. Ah, there it is. Track.
Yes.
Battery full-ish.
Yeah, full.
Oh yeah. Good brakes. Damn boy.
Yep.
Very nice.
I've already cooled down a bit.
Yeah. Sad noises.
Yes. Nothing we can do about it.
Yep.
Tourists.
Yep. Still hitting 250 even with the bad exit speed. Quite good. Oh, gravel.
Yeah. There's a bit of yellow.
Sad. Oh yeah. Yeah, I love the car.
Nice.
Especially the new brake setup is very spicy.
It's so much better than what I had before.
Have you tried CRS, Nankai?
When these tires are gone, I'm gonna go for the CRS.
Nice.
The PR ones now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But yeah, as soon as they are finished, then I will definitely go for the CRS.
Nice. So, yellow? No yellow.
Okay.
At least not here, so who knows?
Yeah.
Maybe they cleaned it up. upgraded to 2.2.2. Good tires, safe and very good driving. So
Thank you.
it was a very good Friday evening lap for me.